Only the strong will survive. Exclusive Z Note Blacks.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Billy Rainman, and I will be with you in this 5 video tutorial on web development and web design. 2 videos will be dedicated to HTML, the other 2 will be dedicated to CSS. The 5th bonus video will be dedicated to design and working with logos and just basically beautifying your website so as to attract the right kind of people on your website. Knowing HTML and CSS can be a very great way for you to actually get into the coding world, the programming world. The videos will be close to 8 minutes long, so they will discuss fully everything that you need to know. And if there's any questions, leave a comment down in the section below. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials.
Dollar, and the for the punch Tony's man a push. They end up with cover chushi.